Next up, we're heading to Boca Chica Beach, Texas, a place where the future of space exploration collides with the raw beauty of the Gulf Coast. This is where SpaceX is building and launching their Starship, a spacecraft designed to take humans to Mars. You can literally watch rockets launch from the beach. How cool is that? But Boca Chica is more than just a spaceport. It's a haven for wildlife. With dolphins swimming offshore, sea turtles nesting on the beach, and flocks of migratory birds filling the sky. The beach itself is wild and undeveloped, a stark contrast to the high-tech world of SpaceX just a few miles away. It's a reminder that even in the face of incredible technological advancements, nature still has the power to inspire awe and wonder.